Hey YouTubers, this is Isaac Drawing. Because I deleted the video I posted today because it was copyrighted, so I'll be singing a song from Chameleon Circuit, and it's called The Sound of Drums. In 3, 2, 1. Can you hear them? They're coming. They're in the signal. They're in my head. Is it only me? Am I the only one to be called? It's pounding in my ears. It's calling me to rule the world. The universe has the master of your fate. You hear the drums, don't try to fight them, it's too late. Each time, Lord Child pushes the eye, forced to behold the vortex, to be inspired or one. But as I gaze into the vastness of time, I heard the sound of drums. Can you hear them? They're coming. They're in the signal. They're in my head. Can you hear them? They're coming. They're in the signal. They're in my head. Professor's eyes. Oh, doctor, doctor, you have healed me. You are not alone. It took you far too long to see me. Now I lay in your arms, mortally wounded in your care. I'll leave you here forever, last of the timeless once again. Don't leave me now, think of all we've done together. Think of all the vanquished foes. Think of all we could be. It would be hell for me in prison, here forever with you. No, please, you got to, please, please just regenerate! Can you hear that? They're coming. They're in my head. Can you hear them? They're coming. They're in my head. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified if I post another video. Anyway, this is Size Join, and I'll see you guys later.